Hi, namaste friends and family. Today we are visiting Papanga Pahar, the hidden beauty of Western Odisha. Look at this board. Here are clearly mentioned that this is and Papanga Pahar, Ramchandra Yoga. This is a historical and mythological space. If you want to visit here, then you have to take a vehicles and by road it should be it's maybe take 30 to 35 kilometers from Bargarh. First, you can reach at Bargarh by train. Then you can come here only by bus and by bike and by car. So let's go. Come up. This is the freedom fighter, Veer Surendra Sai. Everyone know their names, and we are very proud. The Surendra Sai are staying here a long time ago when British rule over India at that time. It was a very proud moment for our Paschim Odisha. Now, let's go and see the beauty of nature. The climate is very hard today, and I feel thirsty because I have not taken any water bottle and not carrying water bottle along with me. So I feel thirsty, and I hope there is a water facility, drinking water facility in above the hill. So come, come along with me and enjoy this nature. Come, fast. Whenever you enter this field, then first you will get a welcome gate here. So it's look very beautiful. See, that is behind me. Whenever you will visit in this hill, then always you carry a water bottle along with you. So this gives me immense pleasure. So thank you. Come along with me. I'll see the beauty of nature. Okay, let's enjoy. Come with me. According to local peoples, they are infamous. The peoples are worship here, Lord Burharaja and Khetrapal. Uh, it's maybe a fair at Chaitra Purnima, and that's a very big festival. It's maybe 6 to 7 days happened here, and peoples are visited and watching that and enjoy very lot. 100 still very tired. I feel exhausted. 150 stair complete, and I can't. Oh, right now I feel very thirsty. I forgot to carry my water bottle along with me. So we will take 5 to 10 minutes rest. Then we will start our journey. Not a big, but a small waterfall are flowing here. See, I'm playing with this water. Stair are finished, and now the hills road, a small narrow hills road are started from here. See, Lord Ram's temple here. And found here, and according to forest department, they have counted 2 tigers and 6 bear, and I think some elephant here are staying, and they have found and very risky to visit at night time. So be careful and come whenever you come here. So please take some advice from local people. See, this is the pond. People are walking here. See the hill station. Wow, so beautiful. Sunshine are very hard outside the hill, but whenever you enter the hills area, premises, then you feel very cool and fresh here because there are a lot of trees. Sure. And after visit here, I have learned one thing: if you take care of trees, then trees will take care of you. So save tree and save the nature. If you are a nature lover, then this place is very good for you and very enjoyable for your tour. So please come along with your family and enjoy here. And this is a very safe place for family and friends. Okay, it's over. and the beauty. Hope you feel enjoy along with us.